So our engineered systems is still really, really important to our business. It's where we started, it's where we're going, it's where we'll always be. It's also can be a complex process, and we're trying to simplify that as well. Obviously, we're a phone call away, but once you get to our website, then it's pretty straightforward. You're welcome to browse around and see what we're doing, but if you have a sense of what you need, simple click of a button at our homepage, it says Engineer a System. You click that, and then it goes to a query page, which includes some customer information, who are you, and then also what are you trying to do. So we call it an application data sheet, where it's a series of questions where you put in the type of material and how much material you're trying to move, any particular nuances about the material or the location where you're trying to do it. Once we have that information, we'll be sure and get the right person in touch with you, direct to one of our engineers or project engineers, or typically it starts with one of our sales consultants who are very technically oriented and have a lot of experience with a lot of different materials, so they should be able to take us 80% of the way there, and then depending on the nuances of your application, we'll put the full proposal together for you.